Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open a browser or the YouTube app and go to YouTube.com. Make sure you use the account that owns your channel. Tap the round profile icon in the top right corner of the page or app. If you are not signed in, enter your email and password now. After signing in, choose YouTube Studio from the Account menu to open your creator dashboard and tools. Click YouTube Studio and wait for the dashboard to load fully. The dashboard shows key metrics and recent activity at a glance. Look to the left for the main menu with Content, Analytics, and Comments. Click Content to view and manage all uploaded videos and drafts. Use the camera icon with a plus sign or the Upload button to add a new video file to your channel. On desktop, type Studio. YouTube.com into the address bar for full features. Desktop gives access to advanced analytics, copyright, and bulk edits easily. You can use keyboard shortcuts for navigation and faster editing workflows. On mobile, open the YouTube app, tap the profile icon, and choose YouTube Studio from the menu. Consider enabling channel permissions for team members and set two-step verification to protect your account.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.